Welcome to Home Workouts by Coach Remy. This is day 3 of our 30 days transformation for the month of January. Today's workout, we are going to work the chest and the back. Going to need 2 bottles of water. These are 1.5 liters. Make sure you have both bottles so that you can use them. We will use them as resistance, and you will also need fitness mat or a yoga mat. And we are going to work the chest and the back. Those are big muscles. The workout will take a total of 11 minutes, and the way we are going to do it, we work 30 seconds, then we rest 15 seconds, then we move on to the next exercise. Let's stand up tall. Let's do crisscross with the arms in front of us. 30 seconds. In the first 2 minutes, you are not going to use the 15 seconds of break. All right, let's go down. Now, each time we are turning the hip outward, no, the palms outward. Now let's go. We are alternating. Fingers are facing the knees, and then all right, let's go like this. Beautiful. So if you're a beginner, you can do the modified push-ups, or even if you're an intermediate, you can always start with the full push-up, then go to the regular push-up. We start with the shoulder width apart push-ups. All right, make sure your core is tight and you're in plank position from your toes up to the shoulders, and full elbow flexion. 30 seconds. All right, next one, we do push up. We come up, we raise, push up, we raise. If you're a beginner, do the modified on the knees and make sure the core is tight as well. So we do 2 push-ups, then we do 2 back exercises, and then we come back, do again 2 chest exercises. Beautiful. Now we lie flat, bring the bottles close to you, and then we lift shoulders from the ground. Now we do like this with the bottles, and behind I'm squeezing the scapulas as much as I can. This is also going to work the shoulders. Beautiful. Next one, we're going to upper body raises. So it's like this. All right, let's go. Beautiful. Next one, modified version, push up. And then we go to child pose. For intermediate to advanced, you push up. Then you go to downward facing dog. Push up to downward facing dog.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Beautiful. Another chest exercise. Now, modified version, push up, tap the shoulder, push up, tap the shoulders. All right, let's go. Core tight when you're up here.
It sound right, boy.
Wonderful. Let's stand up. We're going to deadlift. So you face forward, the buttocks slide on the thighs, legs are stretched. Don't bend the knees, and also don't try to pull. Arms are just hanging loose. Beautiful. So next one, we go down, we curl, and then we go back up. So we lower into the deadlift, then we do bent over rows. Behind, try to squeeze the scapulas together. Look. Beautiful. Now, lie down. All right. Take your 2 bottles, and each time with straight arms, you let them fall. Then you bring them back. Chest flies. And actually guys, don't fill your bottles to the maximum, because the way the water is dancing in the bottle causes the activation of stabilization. Right now we are going to narrow, rotate, we go down, and then 90 degrees, we go down, up, rotate, down, up, rotate, down, up, rotate, down. Beautiful guys. Next one, we're again going up to do the back bent over rows. We bend forward, and then we try to squeeze the scapula together. Hold it for like 1 second. This is a manifestation that you don't really need dumbbells or fitness to stay fit. Beautiful, guys. One more back exercise. Now we do flies like this, and when I'm here, I'm again contracting the scapulars, holding it. We have 1 minute to go. All right, final one. We're going to work the traps. So we do upright row. The palms stays always below the elbow joint. All right, and also elevate your shoulders and squeeze the scapulars at the top of the movement. Beautiful, guys. Thank you for spending your time with me, and see you on day number 5. Day number 5, we'll again need the buttocks. We are going to work the arms, biceps, triceps, and shoulders. Thank you, and tell me how you felt about this workout in the comment below, and as always, invite 1 or 2 people for this challenge. Let's start the year 2020 with a wonderful fitness challenge. See you on day number 4, guys. High five.